Hello everyone, in front of me is TECNO Pova 5 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, enroll the list of all apps and go to Settings. Now find and select Personalization and pick the source from which you want to select your wallpaper. It can be something from My Theme, so you'll apply the whole theme, one from static wallpapers, online wallpapers, some picture from your own gallery. Just pick whatever you want. I want to choose one from internal wallpapers, for example, this one, or maybe some darker one. So for example, let me pick this one, then click on Set, and finally you need to decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. Let me pick both, and that's it. That will be all. As you can see, from now on this picture is assigned to both home and also lock screen. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.